8th class student, exercise 11B, compound interest, question number now is 13. 13 questions are divided in two parts. Simple interest are given is equal to 2,400 rupees. Time is equal to 2 years. R is equal to 8% per annum. At first, find the sum. Formula of पैसा is equal to P into R into T upon 100. SI simple interest is 2,400 equal P will be find R is equal to 8, time is 2 upon 100. P will be 2,400. 100 make we multiply and 2 into 8 will be divide. 8 3 ja 24, 250 ja. After multiply 15,000. Sum. This sum will be for 15,000 rupees. Sum will be for compound interest. Time and same rate. Rate will be was is 8% per annum. Time is equal to 2 years. Find the CI. CI will be formula is P big bracket 1 plus R upon 100 has power T minus 1 upon 1. Now putting the value to find the CI. P is 15,000. 1 plus R value is 8. 100 has power 2 minus 1 upon 1. 15,000 after 2 ja and 25 ja. 1 plus 2 upon 25 has power 2 minus 1 upon 1. 15,000 25 1 जा 25, after plus 2 is 27. 27 upon 25 minus 1 upon 1. Remove the power. 15,000 square of 27 is 729 upon 625 minus 1 upon 1. Now take the LCM. 15,000 it is same. LCM is 625. 729 minus 625. After minus 15,109 upon 625. 15,000 into 109 upon 625. Divide by 25 is 25 6 जा 25 2 जा 24. CI will be after multiply of 109 and 24. 96 rupees will be CI compound interest according to question. Question number 15 is 13 question is complete. Question number 15. 15 is and 14 same question. Question 15 is difference CI and SI. CI minus SI is equal to 93 rupees. R is equal to and time is equal to R given. Now write the question for CI and for SI. Let P is equal to X rupees. P is equal to X rupees. R and time is same. 10% per annum. Time is equal to 3 years. R is equal to 10% per annum. Time is equal to 3 years. SI will be Formula is P into R into T upon 100 SI. Simple interest will be 10 into 3 upon 100, 0 by 0. SI will be 3x upon 10 rupees, will be according to, let the P is equal to x rupees. Now we find the CI. CI will be P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power T minus 1 upon 1. P is equal to x 1 plus 10 upon 100. T value is 3, 1 upon 1. X is equal to 0 divided by 0, 1 plus 1 upon 10 has power 3 minus 1 upon 1. X after multiply n plus 11 upon 10 has power 3 minus 1 upon 1. Now remove the power. Power is 1,331 upon 1000 is minus 1 upon 1. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 1000 minus 1000, 1331. After minus, CI is equal to, after minus 331 upon 1000, CI will be 331 upon 1000 x rupees. We find the SI is equal to 3x upon 10 and CI will be, CI is 331. Difference are given. CI minus SI is equal to 93 rupees. CI is 331 upon 1000 x minus 3x upon 10 is equal to 93. Take the LCM. 1000 is LCM. 331x minus 300x is equal to 93. After minus is 31x upon 1000 is equal to 93. X will be 93 into 1000 will be multiply 31 will be divide 31 3 ja x is equal to 3000. The sum P is equal to 3000. Question number 15 is complete. Question number 16. 16 question is find the sum, we find the value of p. 16 question is p is equal to and a is equal to given is 10,240 rupees. R is equal to 6 whole 2 upon 3% per annum. Time is equal to 2 years. Now we find the principal. Formula is mixed change into improper. 6 3 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 upon 3% per annum. Formula is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 is power T. Now put the value 10,240 is equal to P bracket 1 plus R value is 20 upon 3, 20 upon 3 into 100 has power 2. T value is 2. 10,240 is equal to P 21 and 5 1 plus 1 upon 15 square 10,240 P 15 1 15 and 16 upon 15 has power 2. 10,240 is equal to remove the power. Power is 16 into 16 upon 15 into 15. Now we find the value of P. P will be 10,240. 15 will be in multiply. 16 will be divided. 16 6 and 4 0 4 after multiply 15 225 into 4 is 9,000. The sum you can principal is equal to will 9,000 rupees. Question number 16 is complete. Thank you.